Hey guys, Mike with Lakeshore RV. Today I am here with the 2024 Flagstaff E Pro 20 FKS. This thing comes in at a starting price of $27,987 or about $226 per month for qualified buyers. Call me or text me. I'm at 231-215-2750. The store is 231-788-2040. You can check us out on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. Let's go see what this thing has to offer. Nice big front kitchen, tons of counter space. We have a 6 cubic foot fridge and freezer. You have that front window, you have that laminated roof, 200 watt solar panel, 1800 watt inverter. Onto the sofa here, we do have a table attached. It can be detached. This is a jackknife sofa if you need that extra sleeping. Across from it is your 32-inch 12-volt TV, so this TV can actually run off the battery. All right, so this camper does come in at about 3,971 pounds, and your total length tongue to bumper, 21 foot, 2 inches. So if you have a tow vehicle, it should be able to move it, shouldn't be a problem. The rear of this camper features your queen bed. You also have an optional flip up bunk. So if you don't have an extra sleeper in there, you don't have to bang your head on it. We also have our bathroom. Porcelain toilet with a foot flush, water saving water miser system, and you get that max air fan. All right guys, thanks for checking it out with me. Reach out to me, call or text on my personal cell, which is 231-215-2750. We're at the store, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the web to see all of our stuff, lakeshore-rv.com.